Caitlin wants to lay circular stone tiles of diameter 1 meter all around a rectangular pond to create a path 3 meters wide as shown below. Okay, so what it's trying to say is that this is a circular stone tile, diameter 1 meter. Diameter means what? Diameter means that from here to here, right, is 1 meter. So which means that the entire thing from here to here will be what? 3 meters. Okay? And then, so the question is, what is the minimum number of tiles she will need? And then they say that the tiles must be arranged like this. They cannot overlap each other and there must be no gap between each tile. Very simple. This one, right, you see, if you can divide the path into 4 parts, right, from here to here, it will be 1 part. Okay, then from here to here, it will be 1 part. Then from here to here, it will be 1 part. And from here to here, it will be 1 part. Do you realize that this part is the same as this part? Which means the number of circular tiles that you need for this will be the same as this. And the number of circular tiles you need for this will be equal to this. So what we need to do, right, we need to find the number of tiles needed for this, plus the number of tiles needed for this, and then times 2. That's all, very simple. Now let's start off with this one. We know that for the height, right, we need 3. 1, 2, 3. How about for this entire thing? Okay, now for this entire thing, right, they say the entire thing is 19 meters. I want to find this one. How? For this one, right, for this one is 3 meters because it's 3 tiles. 3 tiles diameter, right, is 1 meter. So sorry, 1 tile diameter is 1 meter. So 3 tiles will be 3 meters. So from here to here will be 3 meters. Which means that from here to here is how many meters? Simple, right? You take 19 minus 3 and then you get 16 meters over here. So 16 meters can put how many circles? One circle is 1 meter. So 16 meters can put 16 circles. So from here to here will be 16. And then each row got 16, 3 rows in total. So 3 times 16. So we have, oh sorry, previously you cannot see. Oh sorry. Okay. So each row is 16, so 3 times 16. So over here the entire thing, right, is 3 times 16. So 3 times 16 will give us 48 tiles over here. Now we'll do the same for this. So for this entire thing they say is 15 meters, right? 15 meters over here, then I want to find out over here. Okay, for this one is what? Because there are 3 circles over here, right? Each circle is diameter 1 meter, right? So from here to here is 1 meter. So since there are 3 of them, so it will be 3 meters in total. So here will be 3 meters. 3 meters. If total is 15 and here is 3, how about here? It will be 15 minus 3 to give us 12 meters. 12 meters can fit how many circles? One circle is 1 meter, right? So 12 meters will put 12 circles. So it's 3 rows of 12 circles. So 3 times 12 giving us 36. Okay, so remember, I take this one plus this one, I times 2. Then I'll get this and this. So I'll get all 4. Okay, so I take 48 plus 36. 48 plus 36. That will give me 84. Okay, and then 84 times 2. 84 times 2, that will be 168. Okay, done. This is a question I cannot really say that is very common, but some students will find it very difficult because they don't understand they don't understand what the question is talking about, and they find it very difficult to visualize. So which is why I need to cut them into 4 pieces for you. Alright, done.